Are you a tech enthusiast looking for New Year resolutions? Here are 7 resolutions tailored just for you. First, commit to continuous learning and skill development. Second, dedicate time to personal tech projects. Third, engage in networking and collaboration. Fourth, consider contributing to open source projects. Fifth, embrace tools and methodologies to stay organized and efficient. Sixth, decide whether to specialize or diversify your skills. Lastly, set career-related goals and regularly assess your career path. These resolutions have been carefully selected to help you grow in your tech journey. Dive deep into each resolution to understand its significance and how you can adopt it. Firstly, continuous learning. This is all about committing to ongoing growth and development in your chosen tech field. Stay on the cutting edge by actively seeking knowledge through online courses, forums, workshops, or even industry conferences. Remember, in the rapidly evolving world of technology, learning is an endless journey. Next up, personal projects. These are your sandbox for creativity and innovation. Dedicate time to tech projects that pique your interest. This hands-on experience allows you to apply what you've learned, experiment with new ideas, and in the process, expand your skill set. Thirdly, networking and collaboration. Engage with tech communities, join forums, or attend local meetups. Networking with like-minded individuals can spark new ideas, yield solutions to complex problems, and even lead to potential collaborations on exciting projects. Fourth, contribute to open source. This is about giving back to the community while also gaining valuable experience. It exposes you to different codebases and offers opportunities to work with diverse teams. Plus, it's a great way to enhance your portfolio. Fifth, stay organized and efficient. Embrace tools and methodologies that enhance productivity and organization. Explore project management tools, version control systems, and time management techniques. These can help streamline your workflows and tasks, making you more efficient and effective. Sixth, specialization or diversification. This involves making a strategic choice. Should you go deep into a particular area of technology, or should you diversify, adding a wide range of skills to your arsenal? Both approaches have their merits, and the choice depends on your career goals. Lastly, career development. Set career-related goals, such as certifications, seeking mentorship, or exploring job opportunities that align with your skills and interests. Regularly reassess and adapt your career plan to ensure you're on track with your aspirations. Each resolution is a stepping stone towards a more fulfilling tech journey. Now that you know the 7 resolutions, let's quickly summarize them and their benefits. Continuous learning keeps you current and competitive. Personal projects provide practical experience and creative freedom. Networking opens doors for collaboration and innovation. Contributing to open source projects enriches the community and your portfolio. Organizational tools enhance productivity. Specialization or diversification defines your career trajectory. And career development keeps you focused and ambitious. Embrace these resolutions to make the most of the upcoming year in your tech journey. Happy New Year!